everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can host on Twitch application. Keep watching the video till the end. To host on Twitch, firstly open your Google search. Type in twitch.com and make a search. Log into your account if you are not logged in by entering your username and password. Enter your login verification code sent to your Gmail. The home page of Twitch will appear on the screen. Click on any video you want to host. Copy the username of channel you want to host. Click on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and tap on channels. Under stream chat section on chat box, type in /host, give a space and paste the username you copied before and click on chat. This is how you can host on Twitch quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.